Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So today is the arrival of our visitors. So we ordered some snacks for them. Kahapon, nagpunta din kami ni Mishka sa D-Mart, pero hindi kami bumili ng snacks. Tapos ito, yung biscuit, pang welcome. Tapos ito yung in-order talaga namin, yung all out, para sa lamok. So para may magamit doon sa kabilang kwarto, and baka dito din sa sala. So dalawa yung in-order ni Abhi. So now it's 11:03 and yung arrival nila is at 12:50 ng hating gabi. Travel time from our house to the airport, it's showing right now na nasa 1 hour and 20 minutes pa, kahit na ano na guys, 11. Kanina kasi 1 hour and 40 minutes including the traffic. So now nag-lessen na yung traffic kasi gabi na nga, 11:04. So me and Mishka are staying at home. Mishka is already sleeping. Only Abhi will be the one to pick up our visitors from the airport. He's getting ready. He's leaving. And another reason why we're also not coming with him to the airport is we won't fit in the car. And we also want Mishka to be well rested because from tomorrow, magiging busy na kami, may mga ganap-ganap. And evening time tomorrow, we are leaving for Kerala, our Kerala trip. So exciting. There's a lot of things that are going to happen from tomorrow. And
we're excited for that.
And we're excited for it.
So I'll be leaving. It's already 11:06. So I'll be leaving in a while because it will take me almost 1.5 hours to reach there.
Yeah.
So I'll update you from the airport.
Bye, Daddy. Are you excited?
I'll take the stairs.
Okay, bye.
It's already 1:30 and just now I picked them from airport. Arunji, Anna is already sleeping. Papa, Mummy, Ani is there. Miti is also, Naila is also sleeping. So we are heading to home now. Maybe it will take us almost 1.5 hours to reach home.
Dito na sila guys. Ay, isang bata gising pa.
And it's 3 o'clock and Miti is awake.
Oh, alas 3 na ng umaga. Late na kasi yung kanilang flight. Alas 10. Mga launa na sila dumating dito. So, bumiyahe pa from airport. Mga 1 hour from the airport, ano? Yes.
It's 1.5 hours.
1.5 hour. So, it's a brand new day. Gabi na kami nakatulog, guys. Hindi na pala gabi. Inamaga na kami. Mga 4 na kami nakabalik sa tulog. Yeah, mga 4 na kami nakabalik ng tulog. And this little girl is going to see her surprise.
And we have a surprise
We have a surprise. Are you excited?
Go, say that.
What do you expect for your surprise? What do you want? What surprise do you want?
Pink toy.
Pink toys! Yung kanyang surprise. Oh. Okay, okay. Close eyes. Wait, wait, wait. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, open.
Good morning. Good morning, Mimi.
See?
Who is that? Ano ba yan, Bua? And Dada G, Daddy G?
Say Pranam.
Pranam, Bua. Who is this? Oh, you don't know this? Who is this? Who's that? Who's that? Ooh.
It
Who is that, Mimi?
Unexpected, baby.
That's the surprise! Surprise! She's expecting something.
Ane, chasma do. Boleh gift hai.
Yeah. Yung ini-expect niya, di ba? Pink toys. Okay, I'll give you water. Anay, there. Say pranam, Dada G. Daddy G, Daddy. Anay.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, Sona. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Lata.
It's surprise!
Something
Si Anay Baya has a gift for you.
What's this?
What's that?
Mimi ka kap is mimi ka.
That's from Anay Baya and Miti.
Something inside. See?
Open. Meron na naman siya, guys. New glasses.
Pink sunglasses, you like it?
You like it? Fix muna natin yung kanyang hair. Wow! Pangatlong glasses niya na to, guys. Oh, this one, look! Bua got your gift. That's from Daddy G.
See, the cat was lost. So
Yeah, yung kanyang cap, guys, yung unang bigay ni Mami sa kanya, we lost it during our Uti trip. So, Mami got her new cap again. Wow, glitters, glitters.
Night suit.
Wow. Gift from Bua. What will you say?
So thank you.
Thank you, Bua.
Say, baby.
Thank you, Bua. Pen,
Mimi, check Bella.
check na. She is shy pa. Pero nakasmile. New cup for Mimi. Look na what Bua got for you.
Look, baby.
Bebe. Wow, swag. Wow. Say thank you, Anay Baya.
Say thank you, baby.
Nakasmile. Wow.
Same cloth for nylon.
That's nice. It's good. That's nice.
Cotton cloth.
Try this? You wanna try?
दूध कम है नहीं दिखा.
No, she slept more already. She slept early. She's just shy. Okay. Dito sila ni Mama at Papa natulog, guys, kasi yung sa kabilang kwarto sila ni Honey. Let's prepare chai for the fam. Nag-toast din tayo ng tinapay. Gising na yung isang pinsan. Excited silang maglaro. So, minuksan lahat ni Mish kayang kanyang laruan. But it's okay kasi excited siya eh. No throwing. Teach Miti where to put. Miti, this one. Miti, where to put this one? Teach Miti. No, Mimi, here. Mishi. Mishi. 2. Yes. Teach Miti. Very good. You found it. Put, Miti, put. Put, Miti. Let Miti put na, Mimi. Yes, very good. Yay! Good job. She clapped also for Miti. Napakita ko kay Mami yung photo album ni Mishka simula nung maliit siya. Hindi pa nila nakita to eh. Get down, love, love. Who is that? Mimi baby. Oh wow, see Mimi. Yes, you're playing with your toy. Yeah, this is the only good picture on her first birthday. Yeah, this one dress. Daddy buy her that dress ko no ay. You already have this dress, but it's so small for you. We'll buy big one, okay? You like that dress? Okay. It's 11. And lalabas kami because we are going to Decathlon and D-Mart. Yung mga kids kailangan bumili ng pang swimming cap. merong mga pusa, pupuntahan namin ng mga hotel accommodation. So, bibili sila ng swimming cap. Si Mishka meron na. So, yung dalawang kids na lang para makapag-swimming sila doon sa ingay, diba? Buong pamilya. Punong-puno. I'm coming! I'm here! Dito na kami, guys. Decathlon. Yung parang, ano yan, swimming caps lang naman yung bibilhin namin. Bit-bit pa din si Baby Jasmine. Umiiyak siya kanina. Kasi iiwan ko sana dun sa sasakyan. Ayaw niya. Gusto bit-bit-bit-bit yung kanyang baby. How much? 99 only? Clearance sale. For Mishka or for me? This is too small, huh? He's choosing for me. Naka-sale in 99 na lang. Okay, now you can try. Okay. You hold this? Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Good job. Good job, Prince. Okay, one more time. Yay! No, you don't turn around. Just move your body, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Hold that now and we'll show Daddy. Come on, let's go. What's that? Magnifying glass. Guys, magpanipuri sila. Katatapos lang namin dito sa Decathlon. And magpanipuri yung pamilya. That's spicy. We're back home. Hindi na kami dumaan sa D-Mart, guys. Kasi nagpaplano sila na mag-swimming pa kami. Full house kami ngayon. We are going to prepare for lunch. Full house.
कितना कुकर कितना चावल आएगा बेटा?
Dito na naman tayo ulit. So, if you remember, just recently, we had a family photo shoot with Mama and Papa kasi nga sabi ko, remembrance namin na magkakasama kami ngayon, na meron kaming time na makapag-photo shoot. Makatok na si Mishka sa pintuan. And since I remember na yung pagpunta ng pamilya ni Abby dito, kompleto kami ngayon. So, why not take the opportunity na magkaroon din kami ng family portrait. So, I suggested them that just like what we did last time with Mama and Papa, sabi ko ano man tayo, punta ulit tayo sa photo studio para magpa-picture for our family portrait. Naghanda lang kami. So, last time, yung aming color theme ay light blue. This time naman, we're going for pink. So, yung mga kids, naka-pink na dun sila sa labas. Naghihintay na lang sa aming mga adult. Medyo limited lang yung time ng aking mga in-laws dito sa Bangalore because tonight we are traveling to Kerala. Our train is at 10:30 p.m. and we will arrive in Kerala morning time na mga 7:30. Ganon. So ngayon, 5:30 pa lang. So pupunta na kami ng studio magpa-picture and then we're going to prepare para sa amin namang travel papunta sa Kerala. Mag-bus kami guys, sleeper bus. Mamayang gabi. So, yan. I think I'm going to separate yung vlog papuntang Kerala kasi magiging mahaba na yung vlog na to. So, yung pagpunta namin sa Kerala is another vlog naman. Yung anak ko kumakatok na sa pintuan. Kasi once nakita niya na dito na naman ako nagme-makeup. Magme-makeup din yan. Si Mishka, hindi ko na itatali yung kanyang bookcase kasi ang cute niya sa ganitong headband. Come on. Makalat lang yung aming bahay. Kasi tatlong bata yung lalaro. It's fun, furnished yun. So, nayaan na lang namin. You will bring this? You'll bring your colors? How do you smile, Gani? Smile, Gani. Well, like this. Yeah. No, it's okay without hands, not like last time, okay? When Uncle says smile, you smile, okay? But you should say let's go. Let's go. Mimi, we don't need this na lang. Tara, let's. Maka-pink na kaming lahat. Si Honey yung pinaka-bright pink. Ay, same parang kami. Nilagyan daw siya ni Buwan yan ng kanyang tattoo. Okay, let's go. It's already 7. Let's go. Dito na kami yung photo studio dyan sa taas. Same pati. Maka-pink kami lahat. Kaya tayo. Dito kami ulit. Naging suki na namin itong photo studio na to, guys. Baya family picture. Come on. Inside. Go inside. Hello. Okay, next time. Merong option na brown and black na backdrop. Pero yung last time na ginamit namin is black. And mas maganda yun. So, yun yung pinili namin ulit. Are you ready? Diba naka-pink kami lahat. Look. Oh, come on, Mimi. Go. Go. Mimi, behave. Go. Go to daddy na. So fresh. So white.
Where is makeup?
Chili. Chili, aye.
Okay, turn on.
It's okay, I will keep my camera here.
Come a little bit forward. Yeah, come forward. Yeah, back. Yours.
Where is Mickey now?
Holding
the chili balloon. Chili balloon chili. Stick.
You have balloon, na? Yeah. Balloon.
Balloon you will get.
Pink one. Stick. Okay. Okay.
Smile. Come a little bit forward, sir. Alright. Okay, look here. Smile.
Miti, balloon you want, Miti? Blue cat. And for you, what color of cat? Pink cat.
Yes. Say yes. Yes.
Yes, Uncle also has one for you. Two. Yes.
इसका डॉलर बोले ना मेरे पास
हाँ ऐसे आ जाएगा
Yeah, okay. Right?
Wait. Look at Uncle.
Oh, so pretty. Daddy, look at her. She's also smiling. Cute niya. Next, yung family naman ni Honey, guys, para meron silang family portrait din.
Smile.
No. Later. Okay? Tapos na kami sa aming photoshoot. So you have to choose which one. Yeah.
They crop na.
Yeah, they will crop. They will edit that.
Yeah, this is
Yeah, that last one.
The last one.
This one. Yeah, this is nice. This is okay. Yeah.